Hi, my name is Brett Johnson. We are live from Patrick Volvo in Schaumburg, Illinois. We're located at 1600 East Higgins Road. Today marks our first day of our monthly Volvo model clinics. On the second Thursday of each month, we host these model clinics, giving you an opportunity to learn about each of the Volvo models we sell. Patrick Cars is celebrating 30 years. Patrick Volvo is celebrating 30 years today, this year. And we've been happy serving the Schaumburg area and surrounding communities. Today we'll be covering the 2021 Volvo Xc40. The 2021 Volvo Xc40 is designed for the city and the rest of the world. It's our newest introduction model. It comes on the compact modular architecture, which means we have a common platform for all our small cars that share features, options, and drivetrains together. If you take a look, they make this in 3 different trim models. The model Momentum is the one we're looking at today, but they also make a sporty design, our design, and they make a one with richer materials called the Inscription. But today we're going to focus on the Momentum. One thing I do want to point out that this model, all the 40 models this year, got the IIHS Plus safety rating. That's the highest safety rating you can get on a car, and each of the Volvos this year won it, but the Xc40 has won it multiple years in a row. If you take a look around the car, some of the standard features that you will see are built-in rails, LED headlights, fog and cornering lights, and front and rear fog lights. The Xc40 uses Volvo's famous Thor headlight design. You can see it looks like Thor's hammer with a horizontal and 2 vertical portions of it. Again, these are all LEDs, and these lights are what they call active bending lights. So they move up to 30 degrees in the direction you're traveling to illuminate very clearly where you want to go. The fog lamps have a cornering light function, so when you actually in a dark area, when you turn your steering left or right, it'll shine a bright light at a 90-degree angle, so you can see around the corner before you even make the turn. It's very versatile as far as size go. You take a look at the front, 2 passengers obviously, and the back, certainly big enough for 3 people if you need to. Ample leg room for adults. You can fit a lot of people in this car for its size. As far as cargo capacity goes, if you can see here, we have a cargo capacity of 57 cubic feet total. You have a privacy shade, and these two, this is a 60-40 split that will fold down to give you even extra room. One nice thing about all the Volvo gas cars is they all come with a temp of spare. So you always have a spare with you. Some of the nice custom features of this car is it has a built-in pack and load for groceries. So if you don't want your groceries sliding all over the rear of your car, you have a place to hang your bags and to put them so they stay put. If you get the premium package in this car, this does have hands-free opening. Just put your foot under here and it will open up. I don't have the key on me, so it's not
Yeah, go.
This car, if you can see here, comes with the 19-inch wheels. The 19-inch wheels have a different look. You do have a choice of different wheels. The standards are 18. These are the painted ones and very popular.
Okay.
If you want to take a look inside the car, there's a plethora of smart solutions for storage. For one thing, they've redesigned the doors. No longer do you have a big speaker inside the door, inside the door well. It's made so you can actually fit stuff in it. And because they would like you not to throw your trash around, they designed a built-in trash can that's removable. So you have a place to put all your garbage and not on the floor or around the car. One of the other nice things is if you take a look, this has a full-size panoramic moonroof. Now sorry, you got it.
There you go.
Otherwise, the moonroof is up here with a full-size shade. With it closed, you eliminate 98% of the UV light coming through, and with the shade closed, it's nearly 100%. But I never close the shade except for on a very hot day, and the car can be programmed to do that automatically. And that's to do the outside. Let me just go. If you take a look at the inside, you have a center console 9-inch display that's totally touch sensitive, like an iPad. You have quick access to your navigation, your radio, and your phone right at your fingertips. All the other connections, a lot of other connections are in here, but they're almost set and forget them. For example, on this side is most of your safety systems. You'll be setting up once, or with my assistant sometimes, and really not paying much of attention to it. So why have a button in front of you? If you take a look at this side, this is your media controls. You have a 12.3-inch center configurable display that will actually show your mini map, phone calls, all your car information right up front. It's configurable to your standards, so you can set it up the way you like. Everything from physical how it looks to different information it will show you. One of the big features of Volvo is our semi-autonomous driving, our adaptive cruise control with pilot assist. The feature will allow you to actually have semi-autonomous driving where the car will actually keep you a certain distance from the car in front of you at a certain speed. It can also steer you in the center of the lane. So as you have your hands on the wheel, you feel the car gently keeping you in the center of your lane, separate from the car in front of you. So if you are someone who's worried about distracted driving, you can have a second set of eyes that the car will keep you safe. One of the things that Volvo provides is a pro-level navigation system built in. It basically will obviously find you anywhere in the US or around the world. One benefit also is you get unlimited map dates with Volvo, so you never have to worry about being out of date. Several times a year you get an alert. You can download them on your own through Wi-Fi. One of the also unique features about the Volvo is how they do the remote start. The remote start is on an app on your phone. It allows you to remote start your phone anywhere you get cell phone service. So the benefit is obviously that you can start it far away from your car, and by the time you get there, it will self-heat or self-cool down to be the temperature you like. Also, you can do it from anywhere you want. So you can be inside your home, you can be at work, you can be shopping, and you still be able to start your car, get it clean of ice and snow in the winter by the time you get it ready to drive. You have several different audio choices in this car. The standard Pro audio has 8 speakers, and if you step up to the Harman Kardon audio, you get 13 speakers and a subwoofer. Not much to look at inside the hood, but let's take a look at what it looks like under there. The model comes in front-wheel drive and all-wheel drive versions. What you're going to see mostly in our store is going to be the all-wheel drive version. That comes with what they call the T5 Volvo engine. That's a 2-liter, 4-cylinder turbocharged engine that outputs 250 horsepower. And in that size car is plenty. It really has a good get up and go. You retain excellent mileage in this car with a combined of 25 miles per gallon city highway. The car has a nearly 15-gallon tank, and premium is recommended. There's almost too many safety systems to list in the Volvo. Obviously, Volvo is a very safe car. One of the main ones that they have is what they call our city safety system. Basically, it's using a sensor cluster up here on your windshield to constantly look in front of you when you're driving. And what it does is it looks for obstacles like a deer, a pedestrian, a bicyclist, or a stopped car vehicle in front of you. And if it senses you're getting close to that without your braking, it will warn you to brake. And if you don't brake, this will start braking for you. So you're always very, very safe in this car, even if you're looking down at the radio or doing some of the things, distracted driving like a lot of people do these days. You got a second set of sensors in the car trying to keep you safe. Along with that safety system, you have a subscription to Volvo On-Call, Volvo Cars app, and what it does is it provides you with emergency response. If your crash sensors are activated or your airbags are go off, it sends a signal to our call center in New Jersey, and they send 911 help to your coordinates. There's also a button inside the display. If you ever need help, you can press it 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It also comes with 4 years of roadside assistance. So they'll come and get you if you ever have a mechanical breakdown, flat tire, or crash. You just press the button. So if you take a look, some of the packages include a wireless charging pad inside. They include the So anyway, I want to thank you for joining me today. Please, if you are interested in this car and some more information on something I gave you today, please give us a call. Our number here is 847-605-4000. 847-605-4000. Be glad to talk to you about any of the features in this car or any other Volvo we have.
Brett, what's the next vehicle showcasing?
Gotcha. The next vehicle is a really exciting one. They've just introduced the battery-powered Volvo Xc40 or the Xc40 P8. It's a fantastic car with a lot of interest in it. It's very, very new. So our next Facebook Live event will be on July 8th. And we'll give a thorough introduction to the Xc40. Thank you very much. I appreciate you joining us.